going to be showing you how to remove the Meta AI button from your WhatsApp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open your WhatsApp app. Just go ahead and type in WhatsApp right there, and the option of WhatsApp is right over here. Just go ahead and open it. And once you're there, all you can do is find the Meta AI button at the bottom right corner where you can see the circle thing. Let's go ahead and press here. So currently there is no official way to completely remove or disable the Meta AI button from WhatsApp, but there are some things you can do instead. So the first thing you can do is deleting the conversation by itself, which in return would remove the chat from your main list, and it won't disable the AI itself, but it wouldn't appear in your chat list. The other thing to do is muting the Meta AI all at once. Just look at the top where you can find Meta AI. Just tap here and you should find muted option right there. Make sure you press on always, and there you go. Also, the most effective way to minimize Meta AI's presence is to avoid mentioning Meta AI in your chats, as this can trigger the AI to engage. So if you avoid it, that is something that wouldn't happen. So in this way, you can successfully remove the Meta AI button from your WhatsApp alternatively. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.